You must have seen a lot of ChatGPT generated images being circulated on the internet lately, either in Ghibli, 3D cartoon, or pixel style, just like this one. Amazing, right? Today, I'm going to walk you through how to generate different style of characters using your image, all created to ChatGPT, and various free options to animate them and bring them to life, just like what you are seeing on your screen right now. Let's get to it. First is generating your images through ChatGPT. So for a first timer, if you have not generated images through ChatGPT before, the first thing that you need to do is go to chatgpt.com, just like you can see on your screen right here, and then you upload your image with this prompt. So here I'm going to say create this image as a cartoon character. So after that, ChatGPT gave me this image, and then this, if you click on it, you can see that this is what it gave me. But trust me, I do not look this chubby. And to be honest, I'm wondering why ChatGPT gave me a system. You download it and save it to your system or your device. So before we start talking about the free AI tools that you can use to animate this image that gets your audio ready. So one of the best ones out there that I've been using for a while now is 11 Labs. So once you go to 11 Labs, so I've been using it before, but today I want to use like a different voice. So that's why I'm choosing Olufunmilola here, like an African female voice. So I already gave it a text that says, hey, welcome to the land of exploration, where storytelling has been made easy. So I'm going to click on regenerate speech. Once you are done with that, you save that on your device to animate your videos. So we are going to be talking about 3 particular AI tools that can help you to animate your videos. The first one we are looking at is Edra, and search for edra.com, and it takes you to this interface. So this interface, you click on video, and then I'm going to use the image that ChatGPT already created for me. So I'm going to choose it here that says image frame. So I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to click upload image. Then I'm going to choose the image. You can see that I'm currently choosing the image that ChatGPT already created for me. And for audio, I'm also going to be using the audio that I used on 11 Labs.
Hey, welcome back to the land of exploration, where storytelling has been made easy.
You can decide to use a recorded voice of your own. So you can decide to shorten the words or trim it depending on where you want to start. So after that, I'm going to click on add to video. So once that is added to my video, one thing I like about Edra is that you can decide to choose the resolution you want. You have the 540p and the 720p option, and also you can change the resolution from 16 to 9 or whichever one. I'm going to be using the Edra character 3 for my own. So once I'm done with that, another thing I really like about Edra is that it allows you to choose the prompt that you want your image to do. After that, it starts generating. So it starts generating. You have to wait a bit. Most of the time, whenever you're using the free version of this AI tools, you have to wait like a longer time before it generates. So after it has been generated, this is what I have.
Hey, welcome back to the land of exploration, where storytelling has been made easy.
You can see how smooth the lip syncing is. It looks so smooth, and then your image still retains its resolution. Another AI tool that we are going to look into is the Clink AI. Once you go to www.clinkai.com, you see this interface, and then you can go to create. Once you go to create, you see different options where you have text to video, image to video. What we want to do is image to video. We already have our image. We have to give it a prompt first to tell you what it's going to do for you. So yeah, I'm just going to say that. So you can see I've already uploaded my image, and then you have the option of choosing either professional or standard. The reason why I'm going to be choosing professional is because I want this AI tool to still retain that resolution. If I'm choosing standard, that means that it's going to reduce my resolution a bit, but I want a sharper image. So that is why I'm going to be choosing this. So the next thing is that I'm going to give it a prompt by saying that a lively cartoon character speaking energetically and smiling brightly, just like that. It depends on anything you want to give it, so it gives you that. So you can see that it shows here that it's going to generate it for 35 credits. So once I'm done with that, I'll click on generate. So this generate, you're going to wait for it. So you can see that it's showing the time. I currently have 4 minutes. Had it been I choose standard earlier, it is going to take almost an hour for it to generate. And once that is done, this is what we have. But one thing you can notice is that it only generated the image, like the prompt I gave it to. So whenever you want to lip sync, this is what you do. You go to this bottom left corner and you see lip sync, and then you go there, you click on it. Once you click on it, it loads and then it gives you this interface. You can either use text to speech. So this text to speech, you can see that there's some options there that shows voices. Either you use professional, male. So I'm just going to play that for you to see how that's going to look.
Every time I open a book, it feels like
Remember earlier that we already generated a voice from 11 Labs, so that is what I'm going to be using. So instead of choosing text to speech, you go to upload local dubbing and then you choose your audio. So I'm going to click on it and then choose my audio. And once that is done, you can see what I have. One thing you can notice is that it gave me like a warning that the selected video for lip sync is only 5 seconds, whereas my audio is like 6 seconds or 5.1. So that means that I have to trim it. So once that is done, then you can see this is what I have. You need to use some credits for this action. So here I'm going to be using 5 credits of my credit that I was given for the month. You can see on the screen that I have about 8 minutes, so you have to wait for it to be generated, or you can decide to upgrade to the premium. But since we are talking about the free version, so the free version is going to take a while before it gets generated. So it is done generating, and this is what I have.
Hey, welcome back to the land of exploration, where storytelling has...
So you must have noticed that it did not complete the sentence, and that was because we had to trim it earlier because the video was more than the audio. So the third AI tool that we're going to be talking about is the SyncLab. So far, SyncLab has been one of the best lip syncing AI tool out there that I use. As you can see, I'm currently on the basic usage. You get like $5 every month for you to perform any action that you want to perform. So as you can see, this is the dashboard. You go to synclab.com. Once you're done with your registration, you sign in and then you have this. You can see that I've used this AI tool before and it's really easy to use. So once you want to create, you start with creating your project. So you click on the button create project. You see this option that allows you to choose your video. But one thing is that previously other AI tools, for example like Edra, it allows you to animate your video. But in the case of SyncLab, it doesn't. So you need to upload an already animated image for you to now lip sync. So once I'm done with that, I'll click on the audio. So this is the audio. I'm going to still be using the audio that I generated from 11 Labs. And then, so the lip syncing is in process, as you can see. So this is the result after lip sync.
Hey, welcome back to the land of exploration, where storytelling has been made easy.
I'm going to be placing these 3 generated videos side by side for you to see, and then which one do you think gives the best quality and give you exactly what you want.
Hey, welcome back to the land of exploration, where storytelling has been made easy.
If you enjoy watching this video and you've learned one or two things, kindly subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button below. See you on the next one.